Check it out. We are on our way. We are southbound. We're on the highway, hitting the big road. We're going Scaventure. And we're heading down to Arizona, to the Phoenix land. Yes. We're heading to the desert. That's right. We're going, and we're going fast. We're at 80 miles an hour right now, and we're whipping down the freeways of Las Vegas on our way out to the I-11, where we're going to speed through classic historic Kingman, Arizona, and then drop down. We're going to catch a little bitty highway that kind of takes us back and out through the mountains. We're going to avoid the freeway traffic by taking this little two-lane road, and we're going to go through Wickham and Wickiup and a few other places. Basically, we're going to go with the back roads of America, and we're going to end up just outside of Sun City, where we plan on picking up the ever-lovely Amy Classic Hags Hollow, and we're going to be spending an entire day with Miss Janie Sills. So all you poodles, y'all know Janie. Well, okay, let's put it this way. Everybody in Craftham knows Janie. And I'm back, and I made a special trip. I made a very, very special trip, and I don't do it often, but I did it. I did it for you guys. I did it because I love you, and I did it because the holidays are coming up, and I did it because I was getting bored with all the same stuff. So I made a very special Scaventure. I went to Scottsdale, Arizona, and why was I at Scottsdale, Arizona? Because there's a store there, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. But it's a very special store, and I've been shopping there for years and years and years because I go down there to buy all of my tapestries and all of my upholsteries and all of my brocades and all my heavyweight fabrics that I use when I make Renaissance clothing. And one of the things I know that they sell that I love is trim. So I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I am going to be having a special sale with some trim. Now, I could sit here for an hour and show you this, but it's probably better if I just do it this way, okay? So I bought a little bit of trim, just a little bit, but I knew you guys would like it, so I got a little bit of trim. Do you love it? Do you love it? Look at this. I have purple pom-poms. I have green and red ribbon lace. I even have these beautiful peacock appliques. I have white and burgundy and this dark blue and more white and pink and orange. And don't worry, I didn't forget you boho people either. Check it out. That's right. I got you some stuff boho special just for you. I got red. I got teal. I got dark teal. I have so much stuff it's falling on the floor. And for those of you who think you're boho princess, here we go. How about that one? Yeah, I got that too. Look at this. Look at this mint. Oh, look at the shimmer and just a tiny bit of stretch on that one. I got red. Look at these tiny little red pom-poms. Aren't they cute? I know they look a little orange on here, and I'm sorry for that. I went and I picked up some appliques. Okay, guys, check these out. Look at these beautiful appliques. So I bought all this lace and stuff, and like all this vintage looking lace and stuff. And some of it probably is vintage because it's been there forever. But look at this. Oh my God. Have you seen anything so beautiful in your life? Maybe, but how about this one? That's right, because I bought all of this stuff for you guys because I love you. And look at it. All of this crafty, scrumptious, yummy yumminess. I'm telling you, this is like 40 pounds of lace, and I bought it for you guys. Now, I just got to take the time to package it up and get it ready to go. But you know what? This wasn't enough. So let me move this out of the way. It's not going down the egg chute. I'm just going to turn it to the side because I got something I want to show you. It's really special, kind of important, okay? Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. So the other thing that I got when I was there was this stuff. Look at this. Ready? I got Christmas stuff. And I got, look at these. These are flat back princess foils. These things are gorgeous, okay? Look, I'm going to open this up and pour these in my hand so you can see these things. Look at the shimmer and the shine on these. And I got them in Christmas colors. I got reds and golds and silvers and blues. All right? I got, look at these little tiny flowers I bought. They're so cute. I got, look at their little feet. Oh, I got all this stuff for you guys. But you know what? This wasn't it. This isn't what I wanted to show you. Hold on. I'm going to move this, okay? I'll show you. I wasn't done. Oh, yeah. There it is. Look at that. Check that out. How about this? Want a little of that? Some purple with some danglies? How about this one? Look at that. Oh, yeah. I bought all of this yummy, scrumptious yum-nums for you guys. But I wasn't done. I know how important these things are. So I decided that we needed to get us some fabrics. So we bought some fabrics. Are you loving the fabric? Look at this batiste. Look at it. Is that not gorgeous? That has every color of the spectrum in it. It is gorgeous. I bought this because I love you guys, okay? But I'm not done yet. Because the other thing I bought was this right here. And it's going to take a little bit of work. But I promise you, I'm going to get these all cut out of here and get them all ready for you guys, okay? Check this out. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at the end of that. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Isn't that gorgeous? I know you guys want this, don't you? Look at that. That's like a really light pink peach. Look at those leaves. That's right. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna cut every one of these out for you guys so that you guys can have them, because this is what your appliques look like when they come on a sheet. This is a sheet of applique, and I bought a huge sheet of applique that I'm gonna cut up for you guys. But you know what? I'm not done. I told you I closed the store down. Okay. So I did make 3 very special purchases. Get down. Okay. These next 3 purchases, I have to be honest with you guys,
I made these in honor of my partner. You guys know her. You love her. The one-legged witchy woman, my Laura. I saw these, honey, while I was far, far away from you. And I knew that we had to have them in the shop. But, oh, I'm not done, baby. I loved this one so much. I did this one 2 times, honey. And I thought this was cool and the other one was great. But I practically had to rip this out of the hand of a woman who thought she was going to take this because she had some mariachi stuff that she thought this went with. But no, I got this for you, baby. I hope you enjoy it because it's coming your way. Yes, it is. Look at that, num-nums. So, yes, for holding down the fort for me while I ran away and, you know, maintaining the talk. I went ahead and I grabbed up some of this fabric. I know that you love this stuff, this type of stuff. So I grabbed some of this. Look at these pinups. Come on. Look at these. These are some twisted pinups, okay? But yes, look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she? This is beautiful heavyweight cotton here. Absolutely, absolutely ready to be put into any book or journal you want. So I made these for you. I got these for you.